AI is transforming digital marketing faster than ever before. From writing content to analysing data, automation is creeping into every corner of the industry. But what does this mean for digital marketing jobs? Are they at risk or simply evolving into something new? Stick with me for the next few minutes as we explore how AI is reshaping the digital marketing landscape and what this means for your future. AI isn't coming, it's already here. If you've used ChatGPT, for example, to write a blog post or Canva's Magic Design, you've experienced it firsthand. Today, AI is embedded in tools we use daily, boosting productivity, saving time, and opening new creative possibilities. Here's just a glimpse of what AI can do. Instantly generate blog posts, captions, and video scripts. Analyse massive sets of customer data to improve ad targeting. Automatically segment email lists and personalise campaigns. Predict customer behaviour based on browsing patterns and purchase history. This sounds revolutionary, and it is, but it also raises a big question. With AI handling so much, where exactly do we fit in? The impact on digital marketing jobs. Let's look at some specific roles and how AI is changing the game. Content creators. AI can write at scale, but it still lacks the nuance, emotion, and cultural insight that connects with real people. Think of AI as your co-writer, fast and efficient, but you're still the director. SEO specialists. Yes, AI can crunch keyword data, audit sites and make suggestions, but understanding why people search the way they do and what content truly satisfies them, well, that's where human insight comes in. Data analysts. AI handles number crunching brilliantly, but interpreting the results, aligning them with business goals, and communicating them clearly, that requires real strategy, context, and experience. Social media managers. AI can help with scheduling and caption generation, but building community, handling PR issues, creating viral moments, that needs emotional intelligence and creative flair. So no, AI isn't wiping out digital marketing roles, it's changing what makes them valuable. Adapt or be replaced. Here's the reality. AI will replace tasks, not talent. Repetitive or low-level work, automated but strategic, creative and emotional roles, still very much human. That said, the digital marketers who thrive in this new era will be those who embrace AI rather than fear it. Want to stay ahead? Focus on becoming fluent with AI tools, learn how to use and prompt them effectively, blending creative thinking with data-driven decision-making, being open to lifelong learning in a fast-changing field. In other words, work with AI, not against it, because the real danger isn't AI itself, it's failing to adapt. How to future-proof your career. Let's talk strategy. Here are 5 ways to stay relevant and future-proof your AI digital marketing career. 1. Master AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, Midjourney, Surfer SEO and Canva AI. 2. Double down on human skills, storytelling, empathy, communication, critical thinking. 3. Get familiar with prompt engineering. It's quickly becoming a must-have skill. 4. Stay in learning mode. Follow AI trends, take micro courses and experiment. Finally, 5. Build a personal brand. AI can generate content, but it can't replicate your voice, values or unique point of view. The more adaptable you are, the more indispensable you will become. Real-world examples of AI in action. Still unsure how this plays out in real life? Let's look at a few examples. A small e-commerce store used ChatGPT to write 100 product descriptions in a single day, cutting copywriting time by 90%. A freelance marketer used Jasper and Canva AI to create full social media campaigns in under 2 hours. A major brand used AI-driven sentiment analysis to detect a potential PR crisis early and avoided it altogether. SEO teams are using Surfer SEO with AI writing tools to optimize content before it's even published. The takeaway? AI gives you leverage. The question is, are you using it? Suggested next steps. So what now? Here's how you can take action today. Choose one AI tool and explore its full capabilities this week. Identify one task you do regularly that AI could assist with and try automating it. Follow a few top creators or newsletters covering AI and digital marketing. Share what you learn with your team or audience. It's a great way to start accountable and build authority. You don't have to become an AI expert overnight. Just commit to being AI curious, because that curiosity is what will keep you in the game long term. Finally, AI isn't here to steal your job. It's here to change how we work and potentially make our jobs even more fulfilling. The marketers will thrive. They're the ones who evolve, adapt and lead. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, drop your thoughts in the comments and hit subscribe for more insights into AI and digital marketing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.